From a small-town girl to Hollywood's sweetheart, Jennifer Garner's journey is a tale of talent, tenacity, and transformation. Ever wondered how she balanced blockbuster roles, business ventures, and being a supermom? Let's dive into the life of this remarkable actress.
Personal life: Jennifer married actor Scott Foley in 2000. They divorced in 2004. She then married Ben Affleck in 2005. The couple has 3 children: Violet, born 2005, Serafina, born 2009, and Samuel, born 2012. Jennifer and Ben divorced in 2018 but have maintained an amicable co-parenting relationship.
Rise to stardom: Jennifer's acting career began with minor roles in television series like Law and Order and Spin City. Her breakthrough came in 2001 when she starred as Sydney Bristow in the television series Alias, earning her a Golden Globe Award in 2002. This role showcased her versatility and established her as a leading actress in Hollywood.
Filmography highlights: Jennifer Garner's film career is marked by a mix of romantic comedies, dramas, and action films. Some notable movies include 13 Going on 30, 2004, Elektra, 2005, Juno, 2007, The Kingdom, 2007, Valentine's Day, 2010, Dallas Buyers Club, 2013, Love, Simon, 2018, Yes Day, 2021, The Adam Project, 2022, The Last Thing He Told Me, 2023.
Personal life: Jennifer married actor Scott Foley in 2000. They divorced in 2004. She then married Ben Affleck in 2005. The couple has 3 children: Violet, born 2005, Serafina, born 2009, and Samuel, born 2012. Jennifer and Ben divorced in 2018 but have maintained an amicable co-parenting relationship.
Motherhood and advocacy: Jennifer is deeply involved in her children's lives and is known for her hands-on parenting style. She has been vocal about protecting her children's privacy and has advocated for laws to shield them from paparazzi harassment. In 2013, she testified before the California Assembly Judiciary Committee in support of a bill that was later passed into law.
Entrepreneurship and philanthropy: beyond acting, Jennifer co-founded Once Upon a Farm, an organic baby food company, in 2017. She serves as the chief brand officer, and the products are available in over 10,000 stores across the U.S. Jennifer is also a strong advocate for early childhood education. She serves on the board of trustees for Save the Children, promoting literacy and early education initiatives. Moneybag: net worth and assets. As of recent estimates, Jennifer Garner's net worth is approximately $80 million. Her wealth stems from her successful acting career, endorsements, and business ventures like Once Upon a Farm. Trophy awards and recognition: throughout her career, Jennifer has received numerous accolades, including Golden Globe Award for Best Actress in a Television Series Drama, Alias, 2002, Screen Actors Guild Award for Outstanding Performance by a Female Actor in a Drama Series, multiple nominations for Primetime Emmy Awards. Glowing star conclusion: Jennifer Garner's journey from a small-town girl to a Hollywood A-lister is a testament to her talent, resilience, and authenticity. Whether she's captivating audiences on screen, championing children's causes, or navigating motherhood, Jennifer continues to inspire many around the world.